Ashafo yama obibia akwaba eba Aseda TV eso said da ye no subscribe to Aseda TV like na share na afofra ente yenka da bia no ye hwese ye de enema foforo ene enema ahinta ene ekukudam omo a omunim de ena ye pese de omo eba ye fidie yi so enne ye papa kese bi ewo ye ntem na ene ye besua sunsumu nsem ye ba be ko sunsumu ankasa ne ya hwe ne ma edi yenya ene ne a eboa yen ewo sunsumu ene honam ani nyina onye obibia sa ye papa ye frɛ no na yaw Brefo enti ye nsemre ye beko papa nchen ne ene no akosua ade ye enti koso ana subscribe papa
mami
ye ma akwa baba Aseda TV eso
mejo so de hye.
Hey, Papa. Hey. Just said they were cross on na ya. And they better some. And I'm patcho me boa.
Eno ano no.
Me patcho edin me boa ni ye.
Edin no ane nana ya Brefo or Agya ya Brefo.
Okay.
But kane no near friend me Thomas Brefo.
Okay.
Until my graduate from Thomas to Agya.
To Agya. Eno ano no. Yeah, that's it. Papa, you share o dressing you cry na. Ejana ne fatao enye Thomas Ross ano nyame nhira
me dase
eja ye ka se nana ya Brefo eja ya Brefo ono ne hwan
Agya ya Brefo eye obi a onyi bibia ni but opesu hu ade potin
onji bibia ndi but opesu hu ade potin
I don't believe but I want to know.
That's right. Papa cheye mu kakra.
Because I don't want to believe, I want to know. Actually, say, if you say you don't know and you want to know, the mind begins to think, to know.
Okay.
But when you say you believe, the mind will sleep because you believe in something.
Okay.
So me, I want the mind to think, and I don't want the mind to believe. So I want to know. And I don't want to believe.
That's right.
It is better to say I don't know than to believe. So when somebody say believe something, it means there is a secret somewhere.
That you need to search.
Because belief means the thing is not complete.
Okay.
So spell belief ukrana B-E-L-I-E-V-E. Remove the B-E and the V-E, you see the lie inside. Into because a Jimmy D and just intro be baby. You must search for that intro. Into me, Agya, I want to know. I don't want to believe.
Wow.
I want to know God. I don't want to believe there is God. If you say you believe there is God, it means that you don't know and you want to know. But if you say you know God, you feel God, you experience God in your being, then you know because you experience it. I believe because I don't know him. So what must say?
Papa me de modu believe in you be fi ho yi we fi ho no
mo lie no ho no na just say every belief there is
watching adwen na si ho.
That is a conscious mind.
Okay.
When you live on knowledge, you become static.
Okay.
But when you live on wisdom, you excel.
Wow.
Because there is a difference between knowledge and wisdom.
Wow. Eja nyame nhira o. Eja ma yam to your question and fa baby foforo.
Meet you.
Ye ba ye o de ye ko baby na nka wo se nka ye tumi ehu de ye tue mu. But afa ne ye ba be ka ho asem. Ye ba ye na uyi apaye. Obi hu se obi yi apaye na osuro nipa no. Apaye yi no eye ana enye na den ti kra na mu yi apaye.
Me pesa me di free baby na me di aba baby.
Eja ye ti o.
Se okoto se obi gina school dem na oye alaba e de no oye.
Ye beka sa o cartons.
O tons no wo ka kire hwan.
Apaye kire nyame.
Nyame no hwan ya owai.
Ade da chi ko bisem.
Enti no libation number 2 say me yin is a form of prayer.
Okay.
And it's a form of using a prayer material.
Okay.
I just say me use insa. Na someone kra mo Bible no mu say wosifa ensaden and the year paye e wo kronkron bia ho. Numbers 28 verse 7. Mo Bible naka. Okay, some 75 verse 8. Onyankopon na di ka yi apaye wose kuruwa bi kura nyame nsam. Na ensa wom, enfransa bebre wom, anipu ahuro bia no hwe bi gu asase so ampara. Okay, Jeremiah 44 verse 17. Me pese me ko Bible mu, but asem abusa me nti no. So obi sise we ko Jeremiah 44 verse 17. Was ye bra na ye yi apaye ma osoro hema na ye hye aduhwam ma no no. Ye di yie, ye di me. Ne na ye gyaye no, ye toto e won kranta ne afra no. Okom na ede ye.
Na eja o kira onipa bia na esese ugu nsa e wo wabrabo mu.
Yes. And segu from one ahom sorry. Eche say ensan ko an na di onipa dasani ni ahonhom temu asem. Wontimi moton so nkofra wo maame a wowuo wasonde ma ne nyeyi enye yi. Ena wo kasa kire sunsum na so begira baabi na sa wo tietem je omuaw. I am telling you, sunsum anenam wiasem ha nyina eye humobro no mde nam asondem ena omhu nipa mobo. Na nye nyankopon a de mo frɛ no nyankopon no a mo se wo de okura pen kese ne buku kese wafu abadwese kese a wo twero papa no obone no enye saa nyame no na me kana asem.
Eja mayembisa question. Ye hwe wo dressing ya ye nye hu osum ni yie. Yesra wo we de ani di mala. Wo de no eye ye nyame ye di na chi bi na odi na chi eye Kristo som. Eye chese eja kire ye osum ni mu.
Se na mu hu me na eja ya miami nie.
Odress me kwa so la menresi.
Enu stina wo nti ase. I am not here to speak for your understanding.
Okay.
But I am here to speak so that you ask questions.
Okay.
My appearance demands so many questions.
So many.
That's right.
You can say about so one by one krana yenyan
That
sorry.
is how a mystic man is.
Okay.
Agya Temple of Divine Light. Me na me dano.
Okay.
Mpanimfo na de adom me. Enya sore. Eyekuo. Eyesunsum kuo. Na sunsum kuo ne se ye friye nananom som so. Ade pagya ye ho.
Okay.
Yanya ye ba ye nyina obi akwasore pen. I was a pastor before. I was ordained pastor. Na ye bo me clerical no. Ha no a change abaye nananom de. We ni papa no.
When the papa no eja o dressing yi chire ye mu ye pese o ekuo no ye tikuo na se ye hudi ye tuum ye hu hwan ne a omo ka homa eye kuo no
ekuo ne aye se omo a omo te wase. I don't choose my disciples choose me.
Okay.
Because they must know what is within me before they come. I don't hypnotize my disciples, but they come because there is a saying in spirituality that when the soul is ready, the master appear. And when the soul finish all his duty, the master disappears. So those who come to me are my members. When I sit down, those members now, they are destined to listen to my voice that day.
Okay.
And yes, sir, wabeti kuo ana asore na ukotu aduro se ana ukoye bibi se upese ni pamra. Let them search for it. When the soul is ready, the soul will search for the master to be free. Enti ha yen hye obi. Obi akwasore pen wo dia bewi ha. Se na medi kaka se me agya yawo na me yesofo. But mpanimfo se usuo nsuo na usuo ansa na hu de mu oduro. Na me hunu se asore yen kwala agoro. Is the basis of spirituality. A solid is just a walking wheel to spirituality. It is say akwala nante na woman no walking wheel no de anante. So akwala ni hunu nante ewie a na wo say the walking wheel man na obeti ahwe because the walking wheel would impede the child from running.
Eja wonsem odu. Adenti na ofre asore dem say eho no mo na ye a basis way for spirituality.
Yes, because one more book na ka 1 Corinthians chapter 3. Paul say na me ba mo nchen no mentimi ne mo ankasa se hunhumu anyinifo but me ne mo kasa se nkokoa na me mama aduane ya mu ntimi nni gisa me mama nofo suo ewiase mo ana nom nofo suo baby nofo o baby for na nom the church is a basis of spirituality and we must grow from the church to become a spiritual people. Why? Because when you are a Christian, you must grow to become a Christ. Because Christ is a title, but not a name.
When you are a Christian, you must grow
to become Christ.
Yes.
You should not be static in religion. Religion will limit your consciousness.
Okay.
Bring together, press together, bring your offering. God will press together, shake together, and give to your bosom. At the end of the day, if you pay your tithe and that money is not coming, you are disappointed. Is that not it? Religion is full of promises. Give and it shall be given unto you. But spirituality, give without expecting. It means once you are growing, you are purifying your consciousness. Religion limits you. But spirituality, there is no limit. Religion will tell you, say, ukofa ahabana di garia eye bosom. Uko yese ya eye bosom, uhunsu a eye bosom, yet oboni pesuom. But spirituality will tell you that nature is your friend. You have no neighbor closer to you than nature. Without the earth, the air, fire, water, there is no existence on this planet. Without the presence of these elements, there is no God. Because God is all that there is. God is seen in his creation. Nature is God and God is nature.
Agya, asemi dia abome so. Metin samene. Agya, yensan fanko wiese. Inti no asetena mu no. Esom ben pan na wo se nipa daseni a opese uhu nyame animonyam. Opese uhu asetena ni mu empuntu
a.
Den na wo se yeye.
There was a way say you have to be a spiritually inclined. No religion.
No religion. One na musa.
Anya sa woni na mu agya ya me na musa.
Okay. Agya kire ye mu. Ya pese ye hu ba bia ye fi ba ne ba bia ye ko.
Fine. To be comfortable on this planet, you must know your soul purpose, why you are here.
Okay.
Without knowing the starting point, you cannot know the end. Intina ya na binu mu ka se wiase bekwa wie, wo wan hu the starting, how do you know the end?
Serious, sir.
You did not know the starting point. How do you know? And you cannot even measure the universe because the universe is unmeasurable. We are all in one and one in all. Until percent unyini wo sunsum mu ana wo tena sase so a, the basics and the main thing you must think about is service to humanity.
Service to humanity. Agya, you starting the same service. No men starting free efa.
One. Ya ba sase so say ya besom ye ho.
Okay.
Ya masa sase so say ya besom nyame bia. Yes. Ya mahase ya besom obia. Ya baase ya besom ye nia ye ho.
Inti mesomo.
Na me som wa. Na we nso som we ya, the world will be a better place to live. Na me chechu mu kakra.
Each
and every one is born with a unique universal intelligence within your being, which you people will call it God.
Okay.
Even in that your book, it said God dwells in you and you are the temple of the Spirit. Is that not it?
Yes.
So if I can see that Holy Spirit within you and I respect that spirit, not the body, I did not see that you are ugly. So you are ugly, I don't like you. But I could see that the divine power within you and respect that divine power. And you too can respect that divine power within me. We give respect to ourselves and we'll be happy on this planet. But rather, we have made God sitting somewhere. Somebody will insult you and go to the church pleading for forgiveness. Why say nipa na wudi na tem no de want man pa ne chew. What ko gina son dem say nyame mfa nchew, nyame na di na tem. So we have separated human being from God, which is one in all and all in one. Nyame na wo kana sam e sunsumati ni padua mu. So respect that God within the person. Let the person respect that God within you, and you people will have harmony on this planet. Jesus the Christ himself denied himself of being praised. Why? Was this why nyama unuanum wa nyama me? It means that he doesn't need your praise. He needs you to service mankind. And while servicing mankind, you service nature.
And one ye nyame som no.
And one nyame som.
Hey. And then nye nyame ne ye som no.
I don't worship God here. And I don't serve God because I cannot serve God. How can you serve God? Si e ka so obi som wo hene bi a e kire sei. Obesi natale. Obema na duane adi. Obasoma no. Obeye ni sei. Obeye ni sei. But do you wash the clothes of God?
No.
You don't serve God. It is rather the one you call God, which we call the primordial force or the supreme power, serving us. No kwejina swandem ye shirawo asafu yewa uye kro okro ubet be shira nyame. Se nhira bi wo ho a se atumi na wo so ma wo nhira, untimi nhira nyame ma ne ye.
Ene de say ya nyom to wo keke.
Wo shira no, wo se wo shira no. Enti wo shira de na wo shira, ubet be shira nyame. Ono na wo se wo shira wo. You cannot serve God. It is rather God serving you. All that is, you must give respect where you can find God, which is through his creation. The trees, the rivers. In suobi da krom ho no mo, wo sori ana sebe, wa ye gutuntum no mu, no akoto atwem. It is an embodiment, but we see the voice of the Lord is upon many waters. And the Spirit of God was hovering around the waters. So sorry, I was in Suya Bosom. Any and
enti nsuo no eja den na wasame yema no.
And so you must respect the river.
Den menya frim.
Nya benya frim ne say eya body to me. Even the scientists are saying 75% of your body contain water. Is that not it? So if you wake up in the morning and there is no water in the system, will you live?
Yebewu.
So that shows the importance of water. And spirituality too, it has power. Nsuo na da ukrom no na kura kuro no. Enna brabo sompo woni na akole, om na kura nkran. Enne de ne ehunu. Ko hwe kole mu de o maye no. Musola mo see the gateway to Africa. Do you see the gateway? The gate is closed. Because we don't give respect to nature. We are all naturalists and we respect nature. We respect everything. The divine love within us, we express it to every beast, every animal, and everything on this planet. No discrimination.
No discrimination. Eja ye beda wase. But e pese o kire ne ma mienu bi mu maye. U chance ya egu ko hu. Ye hian kire mu kakra bi efa ho. And starting fidie eda ko mu preko pe no. And insanem
ra ho.
Ai. Fe panty no. Ye
we ye me nananom de ya. We ye se de ye fa nsuom.
Okay.
Me nananom de ya. Kire me nananom som. Tumi a me ne nam. We uba eye me nananom me mpanimfo Buddhism, creational,
okay.
Baha'i. Uba we ya ye nananom nkramufo. Edie.
Na eja unkwa waje som mienu abos bebre o.
That is how
you som na ye de
me som no ye universal, through universal intelligence.
Nti no uwo ni esum bia ye som bia no uwo mu bi.
Just say enya say me wo mu bi me tase.
Eja tase.
Me tase ni say when you are somewhere and you see somebody speaking nonsense to you, remove the non and take the sense.
Wow.
So when I meet a Christian preaching, if I want to stand, I will stand. Okay. What I want to pick, I will pick and go.
Okay.
I will not condemn him.
Okay.
Because I am not ready to go to heaven.
And you are not ready to go to heaven.
And family into who preach in a co.
Agya, o kasa na said o to ya twene, you are not ready to go to heaven. Enti anamona utu abrabo mu no, utu de akwahefa.
Anamona me to say I want to purify my soul, grow to become the light so that somebody can benefit from me.
And after death, where would you go?
After death, I become the light. Or I go to my ancestors. If I have to come back, I come back.
Agya yedase. If you want to come back,
I come back.
you come back. Agya yedase.
Me last words I'm doing jam kware say me pesa me kire obi ase. Onka hu se sunsum ofie.
Yedase.
Nkonwa ofie. Afi ne so ya wo twen wo chicken thighs no wie ye no. Wudidi mo mbididie. Wona nanom akofa enkonwa bi abafie ana suma bi abafie ana sunsum bi abafie. Omo ba asen kom de beye fie ni yie. Wo se ne etetew. Enya tete no wotete wo. Enipa wo so odidi ma ne bidie no wawukọ. Wo so wo kwa sore. Ntu ma na aduane ni. Na so opaduane de agya ya onyam botom no beba. Abusuane botom no bedidi enti abusuane aye basa. Mokwaje samo de baba ya ware eni yefuna wo ba. Muni di mani bi ni ene wa hyase e ware mu sorry as spiritual marriage eni enya wo. Nemu muni di ema sunsun bi ni ofie. Na se odidi mo mbi di a omo so bedidi ama obi adi.
Yedase. Agya, fa wachi akwan tudwa. Na fa wo number ka ho.
Ni dia ni Agya ya Brefo. Temple of Divine Light mi ana me dano penimfo de mato ano. Mi over na ju fefe so samanfo bo bedodo na ya tiasefo. Me kyerɛkyerɛw sunsum kwan no. Me kyerɛ de me kyerɛw sunsum kwan no na wo de akobo obra. Na we de am say eye enyiyiani mu. Ai me number wo frɛ me abenya me direct pa eye 0245 111 728. 0245 111 728. Me wo asofa new station last stop.
Yedase.
So that's it.
Yesi udidi a ma ufie nkonya ebindi. Agya kasa. Aseda TV ahei pe na obete nsem we. Onkote wo ba bia biom. Enti koso a na subscribe. Na share. Na obi onte yenka. Enti yenka na onsua ade we bi. Na ehu hia de ma ye dada asetena. Aseda TV. Jesoma me say Aseda enko a edina ene ad